Welcome to Long Run, Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And what are we doing today?
We are going to show you a recipe to use for Thanksgiving called Hasselback potatoes.
Let's get to it.
Okay, so the first thing you do is scrub and dry your potatoes. Make sure they're good and clean. All right, and then you're going to take your knife and you make a little slice. You're just wanting to even out the potato so that it lays flat. And you're going to take 2 wooden spoons or either some chopsticks and lay them right beside each other on the potato. That's going to help you not go through the entire potato when you cut. Okay, and then you're just going to make your slices. Okay, so now we're going to put these in a baking dish. So we're going to rub a small amount of this olive oil on the potatoes. All right, at this step, we have just melted 4 tablespoons of butter. We're going to add in about maybe 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We're playing with the measurements here because this is a recipe for 2 potatoes. And as you can see, we added a sweet potato to it, which, by the way, there are lots of recipes online for Hasselback sweet potatoes that are maybe like sweeter side. But I just wanted to use the same recipe they are using, but I wanted to use one of my sweet potatoes that I already had. So we've got that, and it says to add in some garlic powder. It says 2 to 3 teaspoons, but however much you want, I guess. And then it says herbs of your choice, and I didn't really know what to do with that, so I just went with some parsley, and we're gonna just go with that. Okay, whisk that together or use the brush. And now we're gonna brush the mixture generously over each potato, making sure that some of that butter goes in between the slices. We want it all up in there. I guess you gotta be willing to pull back some of the slices and make sure it gets. And so then you do that, then you just sprinkle a little salt and black pepper on top. All right, and that goes in a preheated oven that's been preheated to 425 degrees. And it goes in there for 75 minutes. And that is the end of this recipe. What do y'all think? Let us know down in the comments about sides that you use at Thanksgiving. What do you normally make? This is a new one for us. We've never done Hasselback potatoes. Nope. So we just wanted to share that with you as an idea because potatoes are pretty cheap. Yep. All right. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. With that said, this is The Long Run with Joel and Christy. Remember, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace. Bye.